So hi guys, in this video we are going to see about the calibration of Lifepak15 defibrillator, and as you can see there's a message about maintenance due and the printer. So this is in AED mode, and
connect electrodes.
You can see the messages, and for this we need the test load, and I'll show you the test lead. This one is the test load. So it will be connected through the cable, paddles cable, and yeah, let's switch it off, and I'll show you how. For this you have to hold options and even buttons and then power on button. So option and even you have to hold and then switch the power on. And you can see the service mode. It will be entered to the service mode, and the password is 0000, and go to the service and that also 0000, and calibration. You have to put the test load, or else it will be not done. Yeah, it will be showing like calibration abort. So you have to connect the test load, and then yeah, we can do the calibration. Yeah, let me connect the test load, and now we can check. It will be charging to 10, and just press the shock button. Yes, shock is delivered now, and it will be showing the joules, and then press OK, and then it will be going to 360 joules, and then have to press the shock button, and click enter. Yeah, and that's it. And go to previous page, and and go to main prompt, and then choose the interval 12 months and just set the reset. So it will be autocorrect to the date. I mean, it is showing 2nd September of 26. So that's it. You can switch it off and switch it on, and you will not see any messages. And the check printer issue was the paper was in rightly put in that printer.
Push
so I
analyze.
just recorrect, and now we can see
analyzing now. Stand
and
clear.
We can now load the choose the
No
rate of the
advised.
joules, and then
Start
we can
CPR.
this is in a AED mode, but we can charge and do the shock. Alright, so comment if you have any question, and we'll do something else in the next video. See you soon.